Dear students, very good afternoon to everybody. Hope you all are fine. Today we have one of the bacterial diseases, that is tetanus or lockjaw. Tetanus, also called lockjaw, is a serious infection caused by bacterium Clostridium tetani. This bacterium produces a toxin tetanospasmin that affects the brain and nervous system, leading to stiffness in the muscles. Clostridium bacterium exists in the soil, manure, and other environmental agents. Tetanus organisms live in the intestine of horses and other animals without doing any harm to them. Now, the pathogen or the disease causing organism for tetanus. Clostridium tetani is the causative or the pathogen for tetanus or lockjaw. Now, the mode of transmission are separate. Tetanus disease spreads through wound infection. Now, the incubation period for the disease tetanus, it is 3 to 25 days. Now, the symptoms. What are the symptoms of tetanus? First indications are irritability, restlessness, headache, stiffness in neck, difficulty in chewing and swallowing. Other symptoms include subsequently spasms of muscles of the jaw and face take place, and thus lockjaw occurs. Severe pain, often fatal. Diagnosis. So far as diagnosis is concerned, physical examination is there to check for symptoms of tetanus. Generally, the disease tetanus is not diagnosed through lab test. Treatment. Antibiotics such as penicillin is used to kill the bacteria. TIG, that is tetanus immune globulin, to neutralize the toxins, and vaccine is there for the treatment of tetanus, that is DPT vaccine. This was about tetanus or the lockjaw disease. Now we have another diseases which are caused by viruses, which we call as viral diseases. The first disease among the group is the poliomyelitis or simply polio, which is also called infantile paralysis. The pathogen for poliomyelitis or polio is enterovirus or simply the poliovirus. Incubation period for poliomyelitis is 7 to 14 days, and the mode of transmission. Poliomyelitis transmits or spreads through fecal oral route. It spreads through intestinal discharges, usually enters the body via alimentary canal. The signs and symptoms of polio or poliomyelitis. The symptoms include inflammation of the nervous system, stiffness of the neck. This is one of the most important signs of the poliomyelitis. Paralysis starts following the weakness of particular skeletal muscles. Paralysis begins with higher fever, headache, chilliness, pain all over the body. Now the prevention and treatment. Polio is a vaccine preventable disease. Proper disposal of urine and feces of the patient, because these contain poliovirus. Overcrowding of children in schools, playgrounds, and other places should be avoided. John Salk, 1953, prepared the first polio vaccine called Salk vaccine or Salk vaccine. Sabin et al. prepared OPV, that is oral polio vaccine. India is the latest country to have officially stopped endemic transmission of polio in the year 2011. There are only 3 countries where polio disease is endemic. The countries include Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Nigeria. Polio is a crippling and potentially deadly infection and deadly infectious disease. Polio, it damages brain and spinal cord. 3 serotypes of polio viruses have been identified, which include PV1, PV2, and PV3. All the 3 are virulent, but PV1 is the most commonly encountered. 1% of cases develop into paralysis. Spinal polio, bulbar polio, or both bulbospinal. Last case of polio in India, it was detected on 13th of January 2011, and the victim was Rukhsar Khatun from a remote village of West Bengal's Howrah district. This was about the poliomyelitis, or this is a viral disease. There are so many other viral diseases which we shall be covering in our coming classes, inshallah. Thanks.